Today, I will guide you on how to make Google your default search engine. Go to your Microsoft Edge browser, click on the dots located at the upper right side of your search bar, and then click Settings. Click Privacy Search and Services, and then scroll down to the very bottom. Here, you can see Address Bar and Search. Click at the arrow, and then here you can change your default search engine to Google, like so. Click on Search Box, and then click on Address Bar. You can click on Manage Search Engines to remove the browsers and websites you do not use anymore. I'm going to go ahead and remove some websites or browsers I do not use. And then I'm going to remove Yahoo because I do not use it anymore. Here you can see that Google is now your default search engine. Go back and it will automatically save your changes. You could try searching for anything in your address bar, like this, and it will automatically use Google as your default browser. So there you go. I hope this helps. See you next time.